In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deduct mortgage interest. By the end, you'll know exactly which documents to gather and how to enter them in TurboTax so you can capture your mortgage interest, points, and property taxes correctly. Start by pulling together your paperwork. Look for Form 1098, your mortgage interest statement, which your lender typically sends in January. If you had more than one lender or you refinanced, you may have multiple 1098s. Keep your property tax statements handy as well, along with your mortgage closing documents and any records showing points you paid. If you have mortgage insurance, keep that statement too. Having everything in one place will make the process smooth and help prevent typos. Next, open TurboTax on your computer or launch TurboTax online in your browser and sign in. From your tax home dashboard, start or continue your current return so you're working in the right tax year. Once you're in, head to the federal section, then choose Deductions and Credits. This is where TurboTax gathers your itemized deductions and compares them to the standard deduction, letting you know which option gives you the bigger benefit. Scroll to the Your Home area and look for mortgage interest, refinancing, and insurance. Click Start or Update to enter your home-related details. If you don't see it right away, use the search bar for 1098 and follow the on-screen link. If you haven't begun your return yet, use the link in the description to access TurboTax and get started, then return to the Deductions and Credits section to enter your home information. When prompted, enter the details from your Form 1098 exactly as they appear. That includes your mortgage interest paid for the year, the outstanding mortgage principal, and any mortgage insurance premiums if applicable. If you received more than one 1098, add each form separately so all interest is counted. TurboTax will then ask about points. Points, sometimes called loan origination fees or discount points, may be deductible. Enter any points you paid to buy a home and any points paid during a refinance. Answer the follow-up questions carefully. TurboTax will determine whether the points are deducted all at once or spread out over time. Next, enter the property taxes you paid during the year. Use your property tax bill or the amount listed on your 1098 if it includes taxes. Remember that overall state and local tax deductions are subject to an annual cap. Before wrapping up, review your entries for accuracy. Continue through the remaining steps and check the tax summary to verify your mortgage interest, points, and property tax deductions are included as expected. Save your work and keep your documents for your records. Thanks for watching.